we realize that there have been issues with NEMIS, with our system that is used to disperse capitation. And we have decided to upgrade that system from NEMIS to KEMIS, what we call Kenya Education Management Information System. It will be a system which integrates the entire education system. It will connect all the primary schools, all the secondary schools, all the TVET colleges, all the universities, all the Higher Education Loans Board, COOPs, Kenya National Qualification Authority, Kenya Literature Bureau, KICD, all agencies. It will be a one-stop shop for education. Whenever you click an index number of a student, you should be able to get the history. So the issue of fake certificates will be a thing of the past, because already we have started integrating with NEC and ensuring that we verify certificates so that someone doesn't say they came to the NEC and yet they are lying. We don't want those lies to continue. We want to use technology to ensure that we remove all the cheating in our education system. You realize that recently there have been a few cases of abuse of our children in our schools. And we have said enough is enough. The government has decided to adopt what we call zero tolerance to any teacher, any stakeholder who may want to take advantage of our children sexually or in any other way.